Wagwan everybody, Lennox here from Simple 123 Trader. This is a snippet of last night's playbook to our 123 Simple 123 member group, and I'm just going to play this recording from last night's, which was July 13th. US dollar futures index analysis. Okay, so let me play it for you. Tonight, daily, we're still heading to the downside, so looking still a little bit weak. Last night called it pretty good. Felt that the market was still weak and we should get further moves to the downside, and that's exactly what played out. So right now we're in this channel still, and we're up near the top of the channel and looking again that perhaps we could get a move up, but the likely trajectory is to the downside. All right, so dropping to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can see we did have a channel here momentarily. It's broken through the channel, but is it going to go? That's totally possible. We could see price come back up into these areas here for sure, or this could just turn right over and continue down. So looking right now, it's a bit neutral. We could, like I say, break to the upside first, or we could drop through totally. So right now, MACD is not giving us any indication of what it wants to do. So I mean, this could go and turn and go down. This is my expectation is for this to fall. However, we can look at it a little closer. Let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame, and we can get a better idea of what's going on. Okay, so on the 15, okay, you can see that we had a move up, and it looks like we're in a fourth wave area. So I would be expecting a move to the upside to challenge this area in the short term. We might even go higher. It's possible that this could, go up to that level, and then I would be expecting a 1, 2, 3 top to turn us back down. Okay, so that's a look at the US dollar in the short term here, that we could get a push to the upside. So we're kind of neutral to up at this point on. Okay, so that was the analysis of last night's US dollar futures index. And based on the analysis, our members can then decide on whether they want to go long with the Aussie, Euro, New Zealand, GBP against the US dollar, and short the US dollar CAD, US dollar Swiss, and US dollar Japanese yen. Could also go long with gold, for instance, and so forth, based on this analysis. All right, so let's see how it played out. So let me just take this away overnight. And this is the daily time frame, drop to the 4 hour time frame. And that's the move to the downside on the 1 hour time frame that what we started off there. The expected move. So last night we were right at this point here. And like I said, we could see price move up, and it could even go as high as up here, could possibly. But when we dropped to the 15-minute time frame, that was the key. So on the 15-minute time frame, there was the move that we were looking for. So we had this. We were right here. Like I said, we could expect a move to the upside that would come up into that area, and then a further move to the downside. So that played out just perfectly to the downside as called. So their opportunities were alive and well in the Aussie US dollar, the Euro US dollar, to the upside, New Zealand US dollar, and so on. Okay, so that's the kind of analysis that our members receive each night, and they can make quick profits by taking advantage of setups that are forthcoming in the major pairs. All right, so thank you very much for watching. I'm done now.